So the first bird that I've noticed at Possum Valley is the golden whistler. You can hear him just calling everywhere. Hard to get a photo of because he won't sit still. And there's a little girl here too. So far I've spotted 3 boys and 1 girl. This is the beautiful azure kingfisher. He's been keeping me busy watching him as he flits around in the undergrowth around the creek. He's a bit hard to spot, but he's onto me, but he's very sweet. So we've all been watching these little red-browed finches mucking around in the long grass in front of the cabin, and they are building a nest in the tree fern right in front of us. And it's really funny because you see them go in, they're very fast, you see them go in the nest, pulling in all these sorts of grasses, and out of the nest again. I can't get a photo of them coming in and out, but I'll try. And the nest, all you just see is the nest wriggling. It's quite funny, really. Anyway, there's about 5 or 6 of them here. This is the stunning little grey-headed robin that just keeps bouncing around here. I've only seen one, but he's quite happy around the cabin, and he's really quite a pretty little robin. He's very sweet. He's just looking around the grass, and he doesn't seem too perturbed by all of us, but we're getting a good look at him. This bird moves his head in a really weird way. He scans like in slow motion. Wow. Oh, what a beautiful little robin. Yep.
Robin video.
You see him right there. Another bird that we're seeing hopping around the cabin is this yellow-throated scrubwren. There's a few of them. There's a little family of them, and they're building a nest on the other side of the creek. And they're quite cute. He's quite bright yellow under his throat. I haven't seen one that yellow before, but anyway, he's hopping around, and he seems. I think there's a pair of them, but he's quite entertaining. I think this is the white-chinned tree creeper. He's come out in the late afternoon and he's busy searching for all sorts of bugs and stuff on the tree right near the watercourse here. So I think this might be an Atherton scrubwren. There's a little family of them, and they're hard to get on film. They're very fast and they're flicking away, and they seem to be picking up bits of bark or lichen and stuff and taking them away. I've seen them dash into the bush, but I cannot see the nest, so it looks like it might be low to the ground, but I still can't see it. But anyway, hoping these are Atherton Scrubwrens. I'll look them up when I get home. This is the Currawong family. They're busy out and about and hassling all the other birds because they've got a Currawong fledgling on the nest, which I found. Beautiful crimson parrot, crimson rosella, flew in and was feeding on the grass seeds just near the cabin. It didn't seem too worried about me, but it was definitely keeping an eye on me. I caught a short glimpse of a little kingfisher. Mr. and Mrs. King Parrot flew in up high on a big dead branch covered in sort of mossy bits and things, and they're sitting up there in the early morning sun, just taking in the sun rays. A few stragglers late in the day were the brown cuckoo duck, and he just was happy sitting on his vine across the creek from us. And then I caught a glimpse of a bridled honeyeater. He was being very elusive, but the big thrill was seeing this little mountain thornbill. Very hard to photograph, flitting around, but very cute little miniature bird.